Micro steps to wealth with cryptocurrency. What do you think about money? Quiz time! Right now, I have a simple quiz for you that I want you to take action on, and I want you to follow through and do it. Don't just think about it and agree with it. I want you to think about your answer and fill it out on paper. I suggest that you get a pen and a blank booklet and write down your answer to these quiz questions. What would you do if you had a little extra money? Make it something believable for you, not something like the lottery winnings or something. Next question. What would you do if all of a sudden you had a lot of extra money? I want you to write this down on a piece of paper so that you have it for reference later and maybe to see how your answer may change over time. Be sure to get a pen and paper and physically write down your answers. It's best to use a blank booklet. And then put your answers away in a place that maybe you can find it in a few months or maybe even in a few years. There is no right or wrong answer. This is the start of your success, so you can speed up how fast you improve your financial power. The key of stopping right now to write down your answer into a little booklet is not just so that you can go back and see how your thinking may have changed about this topic, but it's also to start the habit of writing your own trading journal. All successful traders keep a journal, just as all successful athletes keep a training log to track their progress. We'll talk more about how a trading journal can help correct your errors and reinforce your correct thinking. But first, take action and complete this quiz. Next lesson, we'll go over a simple plan to become a millionaire.